SC-100X² is an unprecedented multitasking machine. Fast programming, fast setup, and fast machining. The biggest point of this machine development is the X-axis on the right spindle. The challenge in this project was to add the X-axis to the right spindle, secure machining capability, and develop the technologies to shorten the cycle time at the same time. Superimposed machining is a breakthrough technology that enables simultaneous cutting with one turret. SC-100X² can create a superimposed machining program just by selecting the process to be machined together. By using the lower turret, you can also machine left and right at the same time using two tools. The lower turret has also an unload gripper as standard, making possible to quickly unload the part when finished. The fast programming, fast machining, and fast unloading. This machine has many technologies that are user-friendly. Born to be fast. Our goal is to spread multitasking machines all over the world. SC-100X² is the gateway to get us there.